Hello guys, welcome back to Troy Kendan Vid. So, I'm Empire Gaming YouTube. So, grab your coffee and snacks and stay dehydrated. We're gonna be showing our builds this really far. So, see and the save servers. Load save game. This is not like a build, but more like and what and setup. Yep, you heard me right. Oh man, I didn't get. See how rich I am. Oh, water. Don't forget to drink your water, guys. And eat watermelon. And money. I'm so rich that I can afford that. By the way, with this my rich cars. Oh. Full of money, full of pieces, full of stacks, full of banks. Okay. Super rich. Wow. He even got the Batmobile. Cool. Now we're gonna go into the real builds. Here's my first build, so that's really cool. So rate it 10 out of 10, please. Ship, wrap, right? Why this again? This wasn't the deal. We're back here. Why back here? What? There's an attacking. Guys, I'm not attacking, right? Still walking. Phew. Chicken developers don't delete it. I was kinda amazed. This is where the real ship comes. Let me just fix this side. Yep, that's right. It's the engine. And it's the blower. Oh, good. This is the entrance like a submarine. Right, it's a submarine. There's extra security, then extra more. This the cockpit. This right, cool. This is what I build this around. Cool, right? This the sub defense. This the copper. Boss, watch outside. No, there's poop. Cannot go. Then next we got the bedroom. Only for people. Alright, this is the toilet. That's why there's no toilet paper. What's this for? Oh, the canteen. Nice. This is the food storage. I guess it now. This is the bomb dropper. 4%. Are you sure this is safe? Alright. It's kind of fun. So this is the escape route, right? Almost died there. There. Speller. So this is the escape. If something went wrong. This is the bedroom, okay. Oh, the engine. Nice. So, how would you rate this? The detail was cool. Before you rate this, I will show the outside. It has the cool vibes for submarine, and has the cool front, and has a long body, and has the nuke. And bulletproof glass maybe, right? And the air defense, I mean sub-defense. And this is kind of cool. I would give mine 5 out of 10. How about you guys? Comment down below.
Why? Where's the baby car?
Next
Ay,
build.
gagalit papa. Andiyan na papa. No.
Next build.
Ay, no! Gagalit papa.
Tools of fire. I cannot call it that much. There was something like here, but I use this. This thing is trust. Is that? I made a ship.
Hello.
Maybe the screen record will stop. Bye.